In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your search query. If you've ever asked a question in Perplexity and realized the wording could be sharper, there's a quick built-in way to tweak it without starting over. After you run a search, Perplexity shows you a generated answer in the main panel. Editing your original prompt happens from that same view. All you need to do is locate the Edit Query control. Look just beneath the generated answer toward the right side of the screen. You'll see a small pencil icon labeled Edit Query. That's your shortcut to revising what you asked. Click the pencil, and Perplexity brings your original text back into an editable field so you can refine it in place. You're not creating a brand new thread or losing the context. You're simply updating the query that produced the answer you're currently viewing. Use this when the result is close, but not quite there. Maybe your query was too broad, like best cameras, and you really meant best mirrorless cameras for travel. Perhaps you forgot a constraint: budget, time frame, region, or version. Editing lets you add those qualifiers right where they matter. You can soften or strengthen terms, swap vague words for specific ones, and remove anything that might have misled the system. A few quick pointers while you're in the edit box. Keep the core subject up front so the purpose stays clear. Include the must-haves, such as a price ceiling or a particular platform. If a phrase is essential to keep together, surround it with quotation marks to maintain its meaning. And when you want coverage of alternatives, list example options with commas so the intent is obvious. Short, unambiguous language usually yields the most focused results. If you don't immediately see the pencil, make sure you're looking at a completed answer rather than an empty page, and check the lower right area beneath that answer. On smaller screens, you might need to scroll a little to reveal it. And that's all there is to it. When you need to refine a question, go to the answer you just received, find the Edit Query pencil below it on the right, and click to adjust your wording. It's a tiny control that saves time, preserves context, and helps you home in on exactly what you need from Perplexity. Thanks for watching. If this helped, feel free to keep refining your searches until the answer truly matches your intent.